magic 1 gram can kill 10 million people.
Okay. We're safe as long as we don't ingest it. It's just gotta be half a pound here.
It could wipe out a quarter of the world's population.
Imagine this dispersed from a crop duster in the Midwest, from the top of a skyscraper in Beijing.
Agent Cook would only keep this from us if he had bad plans for this vial.
Sly, I need you to look into Cook, talk to Cave, see if he can give you any background on the guy.
I've been trying to get in touch with him, but his comms aren't in.
Okay, everything checks out with the Colonel.
Yeah, really embarrassed by all this. We just took a wrong turn on an access road and wound up out here instead of heading toward the exit.
Yes, sir. Well, now you need to find that exit because you delayed our train.
Understood. Let's get out of here.
Cave, where are you?
All right, I'm here. We almost wrapped up.
Well, we hit a speed bump.
We're not getting through it. If we follow the pipe to the reservoir tank, we might get out of here. It's only a matter of time before Steelson cuts through that vault door.
That's it, we cut through the bars.
You have a sneaker pipe cutter in the toolbox. It's not getting through steel.
And what with the diamond blade?
I go 4 blocks to the courthouse and all hell breaks loose.
Apparently, but I can't discuss it right now because I am gathering info on Cook.
Walter, you guys close to breaking out?
Getting there. So they're cutting through pretty quick. Sage will be in the pipe in moments. We're okay. We got this.
All right, well, keep us posted.
Got it. Toby, get down here. We're leaving.
Come on. Walter, we're almost at the rendezvous. What's your 20?
For the second time today, very close to Toby's backside.
Could be as toxic as the polonium.
About that, I can't look into Cook because I don't know who his friends are, and I don't want to tip him off that we found his hidden treasure.
Voices are starting to echo. Means there's an open chamber.
This is where the water came from?
That must be a hatch they used to fill the tank, right?
It's just a valve. Judging from the size of it, I'm guessing they fill this thing with a hose connected to a tank truck.
Crawled into a dead end. This tank is buried underground.
They're almost in. Well, at least we're already 6 feet under. It saves time with burying.
From the distance and angle at which we crawled, I would estimate more like 3 feet underground.
Oh, thanks for clearing that up. I wouldn't want my last words on Earth to be a meaningless mathematical error.
It's not meaningless, it's meaningful. That 3 feet makes all the difference in the world. Kate, how far are you from the artillery range? I need you to commandeer a mortar launcher.
What? That's a no-go,
The
sir.
captain didn't even know it's a video.
Actually, being on the base doesn't matter. At the artillery field,
And
I got good
it's
look at equipment. Some of
actually
those launchers, they're
happening.
automated. That makes them potentially vulnerable to
And it's
hackers.
been
When
on
it
for
comes to hacking,
2
there's no
minutes and
potentially
40
What is he rolling around like
Yep, it's licking itself.
I thought he was suggesting they drop
That's a baffle, right?
3 feet of dirt, half-inch steel tank. It might work.
might kill us.
Okay, I'm in. I have control of one of the mortar launchers.
Guards are in the vault now. They'll be on us in any minute. Sly,